So we have a new job now. We have 3 solid freezers that we're moving. You're gonna properly move them with a 4-wheel dolly, with a furniture dolly. So on any big heavy item in a moving truck, you're gonna always strap it down, even if it's just one item. Now I feel confident this is gonna get there with no problems.
So don't even try, cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try, cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Pulling up black window, pulling up black window, pulling up black.
Freezers properly stacked, nothing's gonna happen. And guys, you can find us at TopHelpers.com.
That I must